In Mexico, in the seminar, so many things happened, but the one thing that happened that it was Adam blamed Eve because of the apple, famous apple. That's one of the biggest healings that we could have. Plus, all that what people share about, what happens, the beings that they see. People telling me that Ihaliakala was already in Mexico and he was coming to the trainings, although, people always sees him or Morna in the trainings, and many beings that come to help us to clean. And we are really grateful for that. But this time also, some people saw that we were underneath a tent, like a protection, and the star of Metatron was on top. So then I knew why the air conditioning wasn't working, because of things that Ihaliakala used to explain to me about certain beings or certain energies that we didn't want in the training coming through the air conditioning. So anyway, I invite you to come, to live the experience, to get the benefits of all the cleaning that happens in the trainings. So I hope to see you soon.